What's up? All right, so today we're going to talk about if you should start with a live account, a funded account, or a demo account. Alright, so let's start. This is all my personal opinion, and I'm going to tell you my ultimate trading plan at the end. So let's start with the live account. Do I think you should start with a live account as a new trader? No, I do not, for multiple reasons. Reason number one is, let's be real, when you're a new trader, most of the time you don't have money. That's kind of why a lot of new traders start to trade. It's because you don't have money. So it's hard to trade with money that you don't have, you know? So if you start a live account and you don't have a strategy, your psychology isn't right, your risk management is not right, you probably don't even know what that is just yet, you're just gonna lose money that you do not have. And then on top of that, you're not even familiar with brokers. You don't even know if this is a good broker or a bad broker. So sometimes if you do have a nice amount of money to put into an account and you get with a bad broker, you're still not going to see your money. So should you start with a live account as a new trader? No, because most of the time new traders lose money. They blow accounts. They're just not ready to gamble with their own money or money that they do not have. So let's go to funded accounts. Do I think you should start with a funded account as a new trader? No, it's the same thing as a live account. You're gambling with money that you do not have. And I say gambling because when you're a new trader, that's exactly what you're doing. You're gambling. You don't have a strategy. You don't know how to maintain and operate your risk management plan. You don't even have a plan. You're just placing trades, trying to figure it all out. And although with a funded account, you're just paying for the challenge, sometimes that challenge fee is more than some people have. $500, $300, $200, that's more than most people have to spare. Not most, but a lot of people have to spare. So at the end of the day, if you blow that challenge, you lose that money. So should you start with a funded account as a new trader? No. So let's go to a demo account. As a new trader, should you start with a demo account? Sounds good. It's fake money. You're not losing your own money. So why not? Personally, I don't think you should. I don't think you should start with a demo account as a new trader. Why? Because it's not important trades. When you're trading on a demo account, the trades are not important. An important trade is a trade that affects your pockets. You know, a trade that if you lose that trade, you're losing your money. And then also with demo accounts, when you're not taking important trades, your psychology isn't there. It's so easy to set and forget on a demo account because it doesn't matter if you lose the trade, you know? So when you're building your strategy, you're not building that part of the strategy where, okay, what am I going to do if this trade starts to go into a bit of a drawdown? What am I going to do if I was ranging, broke out the range, and now I'm in some profit? You're not going to build that part of your strategy with a demo account. You're not going to build the realistic part of trading with a demo account. I think for a demo account, you should only use it to get familiar with the platform, learn how to use MT4, MT5, CTrader, whatever you use. Start building the basics of your trading plan, your trading strategy, and your risk management. That's it. Spend about 6 months on a demo account, basically figuring out the basics of Forex, figuring out the nitty-gritty and starting to put together your strategy. So here is the ultimate plan, the ultimate trading plan. Start on a demo account. Spend about 6 months on a demo account learning the ins and outs of the platform, MT4, MT5, CTrader Mobile, learn all the ins and outs. And also start to develop your strategy. Start to develop your trading plan, your action for risk management. Start to find yourself as a trader. Then once you do that, go over to FTMO and start a free trial challenge. Do a free trial challenge, but remember, if you can only afford to take a 10K or pay for a 10K real challenge, then only take the FTMO free trial challenge for a 10K account. Stay in your lane so that what you practice on can really translate to a real challenge and then therefore a real account. So when you're taking the free trial challenge, it's only for 14 days. So be realistic. Only shoot for 5%. You know, focus on your risk management. Only shoot for 5%. And the main two stats personally that helped me improve that you should pay attention to is your average profit and your average loss. Make sure your average profit is more than your average loss. So when you take the challenge the first time, if you pass it, you pass it. But that could be luck. Take the challenge another time and see if those two stats can improve. Then look at your risk to reward ratio stat when it gives you your details on your metrics. Make sure those are improving. Take the challenge, like I say, about 3 or 4 times. Pass it 3 or 4 times. Don't just take it, but pass it 3 or 4 times. Then once you pass it and you find consistency with your strategy, your trading plan, your risk management, and all that good stuff, then take the actual challenge that you were just practicing on the free trial challenge. Then once you take the challenge, hopefully you pass it, start building up your actual funded accounts and live funded accounts. Then from there, start to take some of the profits from your actual live accounts and find you a good broker and put it into a personal account, a personal live account. Get you a trade copier and copy your funded account trades to your live account, or just keep building that live account so that you always have a backup plan. Anything can happen. Always keep you a little small stash as a backup plan. And also, with the live account, there aren't any rules besides your rules, So you might want to, on the live account, risk 3 or 4% per trade. I don't suggest doing it, but it's your account on that live account. You can do that. You can be more free with the live account. So that's my plan. In conclusion, don't start with the live account. Don't start with the funded account. Don't start fully, spend forever on a demo account. Follow the ultimate plan. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, be free.